So far, he's making some comments.
Bump it! Back up and give it a hit!
Yeah. I stay over here because they seem to go that way a lot.
Back up and hammer it!
I back up and then come past a bit. Wide open lane,
He's got a longer wheelbase, he might be able to... That was a spark of something. Don't be a puss! Hammer!
What do I do?
We both enterprises.
There you go. If you could get that. Good girl, Maya.
She's shitting on Donnie Samurai. If I had my dog here, it'd be down at the bottom of the hill. Like, oh, more people.
Yeah.
Fuck you guys. That buggy is sick. Hey, tell him to go left. He might be able to climb that bank.
Hey, try to come up right where I am. Up it.
Hard left. Well, you better send him a picture of that. Grab another gear.
early now.
Well, it's been a year. He's got to do it sometime.
Oh, did she?
Are you talking to me?
We can only go once a year. You go
You
till
just put her
break.
back in and tell her to stay.
That's President broke 529.
You should be fine.
Oh, I forgot he's 529.
This is why I'm doing it.
Shooting flames, you hear that? Ayer, ayer, ayer.
Hey Lance, are we gonna stay to watch all the pros come through?
Can.
They're totally down there laughing.
Oh yeah. Well, not Flurry. He's like that.
Fuck yeah. Is it pink? Duh.
Definitely.
Is it Lance? That is lame.
It's like most Why is someone seriously setting their car line?
Needs it.
Single case and get some wheel speed.
Hey, put it in single case and just beat the shit out of it.
Josh. What about single case in first gear, just sidestep? He needs wheel speed.
We never said let off.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, hold into it. Every time you let off, you just fall right off the rock.
Back up, turn left, and go. Eric, go left. I'll show you how to do it. Think Eric let me drive his truck? No.
What are you doing,
He
Missy?
might let me drive it once.
I'll get him laid. I'll give that chick $20.
I'm exploding.
She's your cousin,
Are you
right?
saying this on video?
Yeah. Narration by Lance Castle.
There you
Mr.
go.
Fantastic.
You're warm now.
Turning off.